Y'all need to take him.
Make me.
Y'all need to take him.
Make me.
Y'all need to take him. Take his ass.
Probably no answer.
He ain't coming back in this house.
I'm sorry, okay?
On July 20th, 2025, officers are called to a house for a domestic disturbance. A mother wants her own son taken away, saying she's done with him and wants him gone. At first, it sounds like another heated family argument, loud voices, accusations, chaos. But nothing prepares the officers for what comes next.
Let go of my fucking door, man. Y'all need to take him.
Make me.
Y'all need to take him.
Make me.
Y'all need to get him.
Make me.
Y'all need to take him. Take his ass.
Probably no answer.
He ain't coming back in this house.
You start with me first.
I'm done. Take his ass to jail. You're going where you want to be.
And I'm gonna kill you when I come out next time.
Hey, you ain't coming out. You don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Let go of his foot. Let go of his foot.
Female detained at 1608.
I got the milk. Man.
Shut up.
Male detained 10-4.
Shut up. Oh!
He's the one doing the screaming, or she will? He's the one screaming. I need one of you to stand by with him.
Was he hitting her when you got here?
Huh?
He was hitting her as soon as you got here?
Yeah.
At 1609.
The mother and her 13-year-old son both claim the other started it. Pushing turns into swinging. Emotions boil over fast. The boy is detained to calm the situation while officers separate everyone and start figuring out what really happened. That's when one officer steps inside the house. The moment the door opens, everything changes.
Who's in there?
I'm pulling the kid. And the family like this.
Y'all taking him, and he ain't coming back in here.
We'll get there. Can you just tell me what happened?
Yeah, so he's been slick out the mouth all day. Real slick, real nasty, you, all this stuff. And I tell him to leave me alone. So I was out here on the bed minding my own business. I want to go cook cookies. So I sat up there and he gonna try to snatch him out of my hand. So then he goes to try to antagonize and still provoke the situation, sit on the bed. I asked him, can you please remove yourself? I don't want to talk to you. You don't need to be around me right now with how you talking to me. I've had multiple issues with him putting hands on me. He's sitting up there off the bed. I asked him to move and he's not moving. I said, you need to move from out my premises right now. I don't want to speak to you. So I pushed him off of my bed. He gonna turn around, put his phone down and come and swing on me. And that's when I choked his ass the out because he was pulling my hair and trying to still hit me. His stepdad in there right now could be a witness to everything.
Okay.
What's going on with you, my man? Why are you upset?
I told her to put my damn shoes down. I tried to grab my basketball shoes to tell her to put her down. She wanted to push me, so I put my head back on her. And that's when the fight started happening.
She punched you, you said? Over some shoes?
No, it was just me and her. She had me in a chokehold.
So did you hit her?
Yeah, but she touched me first. I didn't try.
What did she do when she touched you?
She put my shoes. I threw my phone in my room.
You threw your phone in the room? And then what?
Then I went back out there. That's when me and her started throwing hands, and then she had me in a chokehold.
So who threw the hands first?
Her.
What did she do?
Pushed me, then when I came back out, I swung on her.
So she pushed you, like telling you to go back to your room, or what?
Like a full-on push.
So she just pushed you?
And that irritated me, and then after
So then
that,
you just punched her with your fist? You know your parents are allowed to do corporal punishment, right? So if they're giving you some kind of guidance and they're telling you, hey, stop doing this or go to your room or whatever.
She didn't tell me to stop. That's the thing.
But you just said you guys were verbally arguing, and then that's when she pushed you. Just take a deep breath. We'll get everything figured out.
The smell hits first, then the sight. Animal feces everywhere. Floors, bed, walls. 3 dogs locked in a cage, living in their own waste. The child's room is unlivable. No clean bedding, no safe space, no dignity. Officers are visibly shaken. Some say it's the worst living condition they've ever seen.
Did you see what happened to? Oh yeah, I had a whole in the room. You had what?
I had to hold him in a room.
Okay. Can you tell me what happened?
Huh?
Can you tell me what happened with her?
She told her to get out of his face and from death to death.
Mm-hmm.
So I had to get up and grab him and put him in a room.
Did he swing at her first?
I'm not gonna touch my child unless I
That's
gotta
your
defend
mom.
myself.
She tell you to get out of the face.
That's your son, or?
That's my physical son, yes.
Okay.
I carried him for 8 months and 1 week. Cuddle.
Well, it don't matter if she hit him or not. That's her
If
job.
I tell you to get out of my face and you steady provoking me, you and I move you away from me, I ain't swing on him. I got the right to move him out of my face.
Yeah.
So I went to go push him out of my bed and out of my face. He gonna buck up to me like he hard, and he gonna swing on me. So I got him in a chokehold, and I put my hand down on his throat, and he's still trying to swing on me and pull my hair. Even when he was removed from the situation, you can see his room, all the property damage he did in there, and I'm gonna have to come out of pocket for it. He's not coming back here until he learns his lesson. I've tried. I've tried.
Now, can you just raise your right hand for me?
Yeah.
State your full name and date of birth.
So she asked you to feed the cats, and you didn't want to. So that kind of started it, basically.
At least you're gonna go somewhere a lot cleaner, okay? I know you're going to juvie, but just from standing outside, I wouldn't even want to be in there, okay? So we're gonna get it figured out. The house is disgusting.
Condition is horrible.
Yeah, can you fix the stuff?
Step out real quick. Let me fix the cups for you, alright? Face that way. Where is your injury?
Just some red marks and stuff.
Alright, just put your arms out like this for me. Flip them. Bring them a little bit closer. And then show me where you were saying. He grabbed you, or?
Yeah, he was swinging on me, and he grabbed me, and he grabbed my hair as well. But that's all from him swinging. That swollenness right there.
Okay.
Just some red marks.
Alright, let me see your face.
Hold on, sorry.
Look left. Great.
I know that off well.
So you said he messed up his room, right?
Yeah,
All right.
it's a little
So-
messy because we just moved, but he
All
broke my
good.
TV. He
So I just need to go in there and verify you got
That's fine.
electricity, running water, food.
It's messy.
You said you have cats?
Yeah, I got cats.
All right.
The boy admits he's been living like this for nearly a year. No real supervision, no clean environment, drugs scattered around the house, snakes kept in the closet. What started as a call about a problem child is now clearly something much darker. This wasn't rebellion, this was neglect.
I'm not going too much. She kept saying she was gonna sell my Xbox, the TV that she bought, and after that, she tried to steal my shoes that I was gonna use for school. Came back and
You go in there?
How long have you been living like that? How long have you been living like that?
nearly a year late.
Like a year?
Nearly.
How bad is it?
We have
Dude, you got poop all over your room and stuff. Like a lot of poop. I can't breathe in that house.
You can take him out of cuffs. Just leave him in the car. I'm gonna call a sergeant.
Yeah, bro. Hey, what I seen in there is the worst thing I've ever seen. So just stay in the car for us. We'll figure everything out, right, bud?
Hey, sergeant, can you come over to the scene? I think I'm gonna have to arrest both the parents for neglect, and I haven't looked up exactly charge, but like the house in there is disgusting.
He's living in feces.
Like there's shit all over his room and bed and all over the house. You can smell it from the outside. Okay, he's on the way.
Like 12.
So I guess he's going to be processed, or
Yeah, he's doing the investigation.
Okay.
If it's how you guys are saying, then yeah, he'll get taken to Jack. So
like when I was younger, it was.
we'll knock on the door if we need anything else.
All right.
Let me go see what he has
He
right
just
now.
left to go get some cigarettes. So.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
Bro, he's literally living in feces with no bedding. His room is like it's inhumane. There's drugs everywhere.
1622.
Like, I'm traumatized by what I just seen.
I could smell it from the outside. And all the mom, I don't know how he's not covered in.
Bed bugs.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
You might even have animal cruelty. There's 3 dogs inside of 1 cage living in feces. Bro, as a dad of a 10-year-old boy, that shit breaks my heart. It's disgusting. I would be losing my mind too, bro. Like, you're living in inhumane conditions. There's a bunch of snake crates in his closet, stacked up one.
Snakes in there?
Huh?
Snakes in there?
I think so. Inside the closet. I'm telling you, it's probably the worst thing I've ever seen. Sarge? So this poor kid, man, he's living in possibly the most inhumane conditions I've ever seen anyone live in. There's poop in his room. There's 3 dogs inside of a crate. There's poop right next to his bed. It smells. I couldn't breathe in there.
Let's start from the beginning. How did we end up getting the call here?
At 38-31. He punched his mother allegedly first. When Mitri got here first, he was already active.
When I got here, he was already arguing with the mom at the door. Then he kicked her in front of me, so detained him, put him in the car. And both the mom and the stepdad say he started it. So, I mean, I only really have charges for him.
At this point in time?
At this point, but I have charges.
How many other kids are in the house?
Just him.
Just this kid?
Yeah.
How old is this kid?
13.
13. And you said there was drugs inside the house?
Yeah.
Okay, did you guys collect the drugs?
No, I mean, it's right, but it's like scattered.
Alright, well, let's take a look real quick.
Hey, can we step over here real quick?
Yeah.
You have some redness on your face.
Yeah, that's
Is that
where
from
he
him?
swung from. Yeah, all that. I mean, I don't know what else to do. You know, it's. I had to choke my son. I don't want it, but you can't keep swinging on people. I do what I can, and I know he's a good kid. He got anger issues and he doesn't know how to do it, but you can't swing on people.
Yeah. So let's do this. We're gonna have to do a walk through the house. I know they did that already, but we gotta do that again.
Right.
The dogs put up?
Yeah, they're put up. I do got cats out though.
Okay, I'm fine.
Okay, all right.
No issues with cats.
All right.
I'm not allergic.
Okay. Let me get my phone. I feel like I'm gonna need to make a phone call.
No, you're good.
Where you at? Because I don't know what they trying to do. They got me trying to stay outside. I can't even walk my own apartment.
1648.
All right, well, you need to hurry up and come back. ASAP.
Just go ahead and stay outside.
I can't put this back in my house. Why can't
Just keep it
Why can't I go in my
outside.
household, though?
Just keep it
I didn't
outside.
do anything wrong.
Okay.
So why can't I go in my
Because
household?
I'm telling you not to.
Why, though?
Because you're being detained right now.
For what?
Criminal charges for child neglect.
For neglect?
Yeah.
For what? He's not
Says-
neglected.
Disgusting in there.
Okay.
Child Protective Services is notified. The boy is removed from the home, not as a criminal, but as a child who needs help. The mother is taken into custody for child neglect. Investigators begin looking into additional charges, including animal cruelty.
I'm not the only person that lives there.
You said you are.
Me and him do, and he just got kicked out a week ago. Yeah.
What?
Hey, they trying to take me to jail for child neglect. So,
Ma'am, can I talk to you real quick?
I'm talking to my dad because he just told me I'm being detained, so
You
I
are-
just want someone to know.
Okay. Well, no problem. Can you do me a favor? Put out the cigarette.
Can I finish smoking it first before y'all put me in handcuffs?
2 quick puffs.
Okay.
Deep puffs for me. Okay.
Yep, because CJ gonna lie on them.
So, ma'am, I'll explain everything to you.
Okay.
The reason you're being detained and the reason you're going to be placed under arrest for child neglect is because of the living condition. I
There's
get
food
that.
in the house, he has clean clothes, there's water, there's all of that. I need to make sure that my car gets back here first before anything.
But we will work on that. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and place you in handcuffs. Do me a favor, put the cigarette out.
Can I get some pants on? I know, can y'all give me some pants?
Not this second. We'll grab them in a second and let you switch out.
Hey, come on, they're taking me to jail.
Sir, do me a favor, just hang out here for a second.
What the jail for?
Child neglect.
Child neglect.
Yeah.
She ain't no child neglect. What's the child neglect?
Hold on.
What's the child neglect?
The living conditions are horrible inside the house. Okay. So,
He don't clean.
well, it's still part of her
When you tell him to
responsibility.
clean, he don't clean.
He's a juvenile.
He can clean too. If you can eat,
But
you can clean.
I get that. I understand that, right? But it's not only hang out by the car. This one right here, the first one.
Just leave it, it's fine. Just take care of the animals, please.
I'm going to walk over it.
The actual living room itself is in the same condition as his room, and his room isn't great. Okay, the living room is not great. It's hard, and I get it, right? Sometimes we're in these predicaments where we don't have the ability necessarily to take care of everything that
but
we'd like to.
we both work.
Okay, well, perfect, all right? But at the end of the day...
So
like,
that's his job. That's his job.
But yes.
To maintain the house, take out the trash. You don't want to do that.
But at some point, the parents have to step
Come on. You don't do that. You 13.
Yeah,
You're a teenager.
I get that. But at some
We
point,
can't do everything. We tired when we come home.
yeah, I get that. But at some point, something has to take place because
And
I
that's
know.
why she called y'all. This is the second time he done swung on her.
Okay, when we're addressing that, okay, but as we're addressing that, we also have the issue of the deplorable living conditions, okay? And I get it, right? Times are tough. He's not listening.
He want to eat everything. He
Yeah.
don't want to clean nothing. He don't
But
want to
at some point, right, for animals, and it's more or less because of the animals, right? Because there's feces all over the
Yeah.
place, and it's dried feces, and it smells like urine, which means that dogs aren't being taken out.
Yeah, they take it out.
But
Dogs get taken out.
but at some point, they're urinating and defecating inside the house.
Yeah.
Okay, it's extremely poor health-wise to be breathing all that in. It's not great, right?
I need it for when I get out, for someone to come get me.
Sure.
How am I getting with the seatbelt right there?
You can just sit.
Let's go ahead. We're gonna get some information from you real quick. I think I have to talk to her for a second. I think she wants to release everything to you, but let me just confirm with her, and then we'll go from there. Okay.
Hey, whatever happens today, I'm sorry for everything that you've been having to go through, all right? You shouldn't be living that way, all right? And I feel for you, I really do, all right? I'm sorry you have to live that way, all right? You're gonna do the best you can.
When I was younger, it hurt like real bad.
I got you. Give me a hug, man. I'm sorry, okay? Alright? Try to get you some help, alright? Whatever happens, get through it, and let's restart over, alright?
Hey, how come he's not in cuffs? The kid. No. Okay, put him in cuffs. All right, man. So I just got done speaking with your boyfriend. Okay. Do you want the house to be released to him?
Yeah.
Do you want the car to be released to him?
Everything's to him. He got my keys.
He's fine with all that. I just want to make sure that you're okay with that
Yeah,
because it's yours.
I mean, I ain't got nothing else. That's all I got. So, yeah, he's fine.
At this point, Juvie is a favorite.
To get him out of his house.
Just to get him out.
Yeah.
That's it.
Honestly, though, I mean, I know it sucks that they gotta take him too, but it'll get him in front of the courts.
Yeah.
With all their charges that she's gonna have.
Yeah. I'll show it to his court. You know what I mean?
Yeah, if it was that bad, you guys were in
it's-
there and got Bodycam, absolutely. Anything for a kid, just kept in that kind of right there.
He's got no
Areas
TV.
like that?
He's got no toys. He's got no entertainment. He's got poop on his bed, urine and poop everywhere in his room. He has snakes living in his closet. It's disgusting, bro. It's terrible.
I wonder why they can't take that guy too.